Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get free coins on Crushon AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Crushon AI and then what you can do is log into your account. You can see this here on the left hand side. You can see bonus over here. Tap on it. After you go to bonus, you can see the daily tasks over here. Now, what you need to do is complete these rewards and you will get coins for free. The first one is rewards for daily check-in. Check in and get Crushon coins every day. Go ahead and click check over here. And you can see that you just got free coins. Click OK, scroll a bit down and you can see daily conversation. So what you need to do is conversate with any character. Go ahead and click on claim. Click OK. As I've already completed it, you can see that I have already received the award. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you can see some special tasks over here as well. You can go ahead and check them out. Some of the tasks are daily view memory, view tray memories, and you will get plus 10 coins. The special tasks are create first character. I've already created my character. If I go to check, you can see that I have already received it. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you can see invite friend, enter invitation code, unlock hidden content. So you can go ahead and go complete these and then you will get the free coins from here in the bonus. So guys, this is how easily you can get free coins on Crushon AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.